Maybe that your father, some of them accepted Islam, the father is non-Muslim, or some may not be practicing Muslim. What do you have to do? Allah is asking, what is your consideration? And he lists down 8 things, and Allah continues. قُلْ إِنْ كَانَ آبَاؤُكُمْ وَأَبْنَاؤُكُمْ وَإِخْوَانُكُمْ وَأَزْوَاجُكُمْ وَعَشِيرَتُكُمْ وَأَمْوَالٌ اقْتَرَفْتُمُوهَا وَتِجَارَةٌ تَخْشَوْنَ كَسَادَهَا وَمَسَاكِنُ تَرْضَوْنَهَا أَحَبَّ إِلَيْكُمْ مِنَ اللَّهِ وَرَسُولِهِ وَجِهَادٍ فِي سَبِيلِهِ. Allah says, if you love these 8 things more than Allah, more than His Rasul, more than doing jihad in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah is saying, what are your consideration? If you love all these 8 things, your fathers, your sons, your brothers, your spouses, your relatives, the wealth you have amassed, the business in which you deal, the house in which you live. If you love all these 8 things more than Allah, more than His Rasul, and more than doing jihad in the way of Allah, Allah says, فَتَرَبَّصُوا, wait. حَتَّى يَأْتِيَ اللَّهِ بِأَمْرِهِ وَاللَّهُ لَا يَهْدِي الْقَوْمَ الْفَاسِقِينَ. And Allah is saying, wait until Allah brings about His decision unto you, until Allah brings about His destruction to you. Wallahu la yahdil qawmul fasiqin. And Allah guides not the fasik people, the perverted transgressors, the rebellious people.